Good morning, student. Today's our discussion topic is method overloading. First of all, we want to know about what is method overloading and why we are using the method overloading. Actually, method overloading is a feature that allow a class to have more than one method having the same name if their argument list are different, just like constructor overloading in Java that allows a class to have more than one constructor having different argument. Here argument means parameters, and uh, return type of these method is not the same. If the argument is different, then the return type is not same. It means overloaded method may or may not have different return type, but they must differ in parameter they accepted. And why we need method overloading? Just see the student. Suppose we have to perform the additional addition of given number, but they cannot be any number of argument. Repeat this statement. Suppose we have to perform addition of given number, but there can be any number of argument. Let us say that 2 or 3 argument in our case. In order to accomplish the task, we, we create two method. Take brushes. First is sum3 int comma int, and another is sum2 int comma int comma int. And three parameter we have to created two method. This one is for 2 parameter and this one is for 3 parameter. However, other programmer, in this case, when we have to create a 2 parameters and 3 parameters method, in case of other programmers as well as me in the future may get confused as the behavior of both method are same but differ by name. This one is sum2 and sum differ by name. The better way to accomplish this task is by overloading method. With the help of overloading, we can accomplish this method, and depending upon the argument passed, one of the overloaded method is called, and this process helps to increase the readability of the program. As definition says, in method overloading, more than one method share the same name with different signature. And here, don't be confused with the word signature. Signature is parameter in the class. In method overloading, return type cannot be same. If any method having a different parameter, then a return type cannot be same. But we must have to change the parameter because in the Java we cannot achieve the method overloading by changing only the return type of the method. The method are said to be overloading if and only if both method having same name but different argument, means different signature. Let us take example. Here we have to take text class, and one method in text class is m1, and which are having int parameter, and another is also public void m1 method, and the parameter is long. Here we see that m1 and m1 is same, but they are having different parameter. One is int and another is long. We have to take another example. Just see that this example, this is a very most important example for the method overloading. First see the class display overloading. The name of the class is display overloading, and this class are having two method. First, public void display, and display is signature is parameter is character, and the output of this method means this method is system.out.println C. And here another method which is called display, and the signature or parameter of this display method is int, and the output of this is C. When we use this method in our class simple public static void main, and we have to create the object of that particular class. Display overload obj is equal to new display overloaded. So when we call with the help when we call any method in that display overloading with the help of object dot display a, when we call a, so which method is called by this object? Means a means this character, and we have to insert on the basis of this parameter. It will know which type of method, which method is called, and another is overloading. This particular method is overloaded by the this method, and here we display character. Then this void display method is called, and another is overloading. And in case of another, when we insert integer value, so then this method is called and another is overloaded. That's all. And the output of this example is, first we put character value, then the output of this method is character, and we put integer value, then this method outputted the integer values. Thank you. And why this method overloading is a okay, thank you.